Hello, this is a 720p video test with the Jadfezy action camera, an action camera that we recently purchased on Amazon for around $20. This is just going to be a 5-minute video test on the 720p resolution with this camera, and I just want to talk about why you shouldn't really buy a $20 camera like this one unless you understand that the quality isn't going to be very good. So I'm just going to put the camera down right here for a second. 720p video test with the Jadfezy action camera. So let's talk about this camera. For $20 you get some accessories. You get this camera, which has a photo feature which is just okay, it's not terrible. You have a motion detection feature which is pretty cool. We'll talk about that in the review. And that's basically it. It says 1080p resolution, 720p resolution, but really the quality is not that great, and I'm not very surprised because we only paid $20. So let's just take a little walk over here. So this is the Jadfezy action camera. It's a 720p resolution video test, but obviously if you buy a more expensive camera, like a more expensive action camera or a point and shoot camera, you'll really be able to tell the difference between that quality footage and this quality footage, which is really, if you pay $20 for a camera, you shouldn't be very surprised. And I'm not saying it's possible that every single camera that costs $20 is going to be bad. However, just understand that you really shouldn't expect really high quality footage unless you've seen a camera that has really good reviews on Amazon for $20, and there's lots of video tests, video samples on YouTube showing that the quality is really good. But other than that, more often than not, I think for $20, aside from getting a camera that records just okay video and some basic accessories, there's really not much that you're going to get for $20, and that makes sense. I mean, in my opinion, you need to spend at least $50 to get a decent camera. Spend at least $50, which is actually not that much. And you can buy a camera that records good high-definition video like the Campark X25. You can see the review on my channel. Just walking around here, it's sort of drizzling a little bit. So here you can see that for a camera that was made maybe 20 years ago, this would be okay, but nowadays you want to pay $50 at least if you want to have a camera that can record acceptable quality, and $50 is not that much. I'm just saying that if you go on Amazon and you see something for $20 and it says like HD, high resolution, 1080p, 720p, capture your moments in HD, take 20 megapixel photos, and more often than not, for $20, you're not really going to get great quality, okay? And the same thing with the pictures. A lot of these cheap action cameras say that they take pictures up to 20 megapixels or 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels, 8 megapixels. Unfortunately, as you're going to see in the review, that is not really, the pictures are not very good. This is not something that you would buy as a camera to take pictures. It's not going to replace your smartphone or your point and shoot camera. You're just simply not going to take good pictures with something like this for $20. And even the $50 action cameras, the $80 action cameras, you're not buying it to take pictures. But if you do want to record acceptable video, you need to pay at least $50 or more, and then you can get something that records good video. But This is not my favorite camera. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy this camera, the Jadfezy action camera. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy it, but just understand that you cannot always trust that if the box says 1080p video, it doesn't mean that you're going to receive, it doesn't mean that it's going to record 1080p resolution video. Okay, that's all. And the other thing is, for $20, more often than not, the quality is not going to be great. Thanks for watching this video. If you were looking at this camera on Amazon, and if you were possibly thinking about purchasing it, this will be video proof that, well, this is a 720p video test, and I don't know if this will discourage you from buying the product or even encourage you to buy the product, but this is what the 720p setting looks like. It's not crystal clear. If you just want to learn about how to use an action camera and you don't mind that the quality isn't great, you can go ahead and buy this, but I would recommend paying a little bit more money if you actually want clear quality footage. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.